Do you know there are 7 varieties of tulsi available around the world? And each one having its specific properties for improving our health. Today in this video, I will tell you some prominent use of common tulsi variety in day-to-day ailments. The most commonly used are tulsi, holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, phaningica, Sherby basil, Ocimum, gratissimum, Karpur tulsi, camphor basil, Ocimum camphor, marubaka, bush basil, Ocimum minimum. Dealing with our day-to-day ailments, fever and cough are the most common ailments we see in every age group. 1 teaspoon of holy basil paste with 1 teaspoon of honey if licked, then it helps in reducing intensity of cough. During fever, drink tulsi herbal water. For this, boil 10 grams of holy basil and 5 grams of black pepper powder into 1 liter of water and drink it in sips along with your prescribed medicine.